Hello everyone, my name is Anya and today I would like to show you how to make this ring coaster. You will need scraps of yarn in 2 colors and the pattern itself is very easy. It will just use double and single crochet. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and thank you for watching. We will start by working a slip knot. So twist your yarn and pull one end through. Insert your hook into a slip knot and tighten it. We will work chain 3, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, yarn over, pull through, chain 2 and 3. This chain 2 will not count as a stitch, and into first chain we will work 16 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into first chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. First double crochet made, and again yarn over the hook, insert the hook into first chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 2 double crochet, and we will carry on until we have altogether 16 double crochet. So carry on working until you have 16 double crochet, and I will show you how to finish this round. When we have finished our double crochet, we will insert our hook into first double crochet made, so not into chain 2 but first double crochet made, and we will pull through new color yarn. So pull new color yarn through, and we can start the next round. You can tighten this first chain and we will start new round. We will now start new round with new color, and we will work chain 1. We will work with chain 1 with 2 strands of yarn just to secure our yarn. This chain 1 will not count as a stitch. And in this round we will be working 2 single crochet into each double crochet from the previous round. So insert your hook into first double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook into the same double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 2 single crochet into first double crochet are made, and we will repeat the same thing into each double crochet. So 2 single crochet into each double crochet from the previous round, and carry on like this until you have altogether 32 single crochet, and I will show you how to finish this round. When we finished working our single crochet and we have 32 single crochet, we will need to count our yarn, and we will pull this yarn through. We will now insert our hook into second single crochet from the back through both loops to the front, so under this V shape, and pull this cut yarn through. We will insert our hook from the back through only 1 loop to the front of the last single crochet made, and again pull this yarn through. And we will now need to weave in the ends to secure this yarn. We will now be working with the yarn which we dropped, finishing round 1. And what we are going to do, we will be working around the post of each single crochet from the previous round. So we will insert our hook into any single crochet from the previous round, from the back, around the post, and to the back again, and we will pull this yarn through. We will work chain 3, and this chain 3 will count as first double crochet. And around the post of each single crochet we will be working double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook from the back of the next single crochet, around the post at the front and to the back again. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we will do this around the post of each single crochet. So yarn over the hook, insert the hook from the back, around the post to the back again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And carry on working your back post double crochet around the post of each single crochet from the previous round. And again, when you finish your last double crochet, I will show you how to finish this round. To finish this round, we will insert our hook into first double crochet made, and we will pull new color yarn through. And again, we will need to tighten our work, and this round is finished. We will now again carry on with our new color yarn, and we will start by working chain 1 with 2 strands of the yarn to secure our yarn, and again this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. And in this round we will be working a bit of a different pattern to the previous round. We will be increasing in a different way. So into first double crochet we will work 2 single crochet. In the second double crochet we will work 1 single crochet, and again 2 single crochet. In the next double crochet, 1 single crochet in the next double crochet, and we will be repeating the pattern 2 single crochet in the next double crochet, 1 single crochet in the next double crochet until we reach the end. We will have 48 single crochet altogether, and again we will need to finish with invisible join. We will start again by inserting our hook into any single crochet on top of this dropped yarn from round 3, from the back around the post and to the back again, and we will pull this yarn through, and we will work chain 3, and again this chain 3 will count as first double crochet, and into each single crochet from the previous round we will be working back post double crochet. So all together, counting this first starting chain 3 as our first double crochet, we will have all together 48 double crochet. So again we will carry on working our back post double crochet around the post of each single crochet from the previous round, and at the end of this round we will finish in exactly the same way as we finished round 3. So we will slip stitch to this first double crochet made, but we will pull new color yarn through. We will now be working again with new color yarn, and we will work chain 1 again using 2 strands of yarn. In the same double crochet as we slip stitch we will work 2 single crochet, and then into each of the next 2 double crochet we will work 1 single crochet into each stitch. And in this round we will be working 2 single crochet into the next single crochet, 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 double crochet, and again 2 single crochet into the next double crochet, 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 double crochet, and carry on all the way round. You will have 64 single crochet in this round, and at the end make invisible join, and we are not going to use this yarn again. This is going to be our final round, and we'll start by inserting our hook around the post of any single crochet from the previous round, from the back, around the front and to the back again, and we will pull through this dropped yarn and we will work chain 3, which will count again as first double crochet. And in this round again we will be working back post double crochet around the post of each and every single crochet from the previous round. So work back post double crochet around the post of every single crochet from the previous round, and all together, counting the starting chain 3 as your first double crochet, we will have 64 double crochet. And at the end of this round we will need to work invisible join, and I will show you how to do it. When we finished our last double crochet, we will need to cut our yarn off and pull it through a loop. We will insert our hook from the back of the first double crochet, so we are not touching chain 3, but we are inserting a hook into the back of the double crochet through both loops, and we pull this yarn through. We will now insert the hook into the back loop from the back to the front of the last double crochet made, yarn over, pull through, and we will weave in our ends, making sure obviously that this slip knot is nice and tight and similar in the dimension to the rest of them. And our project is ready.